What is the most effective exercise that can heal a rotator cuff tear? Well, there's no single exercise that can fully fix a torn rotator cuff tendon. There are many exercises that can make a small improvement to help benefit the health of the rotator cuff tendon, but you need a series of exercises over a time. This is called a process. You need a process to help fix a rotator cuff tendon tear. A single exercise will only benefit you for a short time, but once that benefit is exhausted, in other words, once that exercise stops helping you, it's time to move on to another exercise. Looking for a single exercise to fix a rotator cuff tear problem is very much like looking for the holy grail of medicine. And it sends the wrong message to people, because if you think that there's one exercise that's going to fix your shoulder problem for the rest of your life, or at least for a long time, then you're going to be let down when that exercise maybe helps you a little bit and then it stops helping you and then maybe even hurts you. And the truth is that there are many exercises that can be beneficial at the right time and in the right intensities. There may be an exercise that's good for rotator cuff tears out there that you might be doing, but you're in the wrong phase of healing to be doing that exercise. If your shoulder is flared up, angry, you can't pick up your arm all the way, and you're trying to do weighted or resistance band exercises, it's probably going to hurt you right now. But when your rotator cuff is healthier, but maybe still injured, not 100%, then it might be appropriate to begin to load the tendons so that you can get them stronger over time. So really the better question to ask is, what is the most effective exercise for my rotator cuff tear right now? And then you have to be asking yourself that question every few days, at the very least every week. And you need to be okay with moving on from an exercise. You need to let go of an exercise if it's no longer helping you, and taking on the next exercise in the progression so that you can get even better and stair-step your way up into full recovery. I've got many videos here on YouTube to help you with the rotator cuff tear. They're all on a playlist called Rotator Cuff Help. You can find that linked in the description below. And I've also got a comprehensive program called the Rotator Cuff Tear Recovery Program. There's also a link for that down in the description below. This program is a 100% online comprehensive program that exhausts all of the treatments that I would do for you in person if you were here in my clinic. I've packaged the whole process, all the treatments that we'll use for naturally healing a rotator cuff tear without surgery into this program. You can find out more about it through that link in the description below. Hey, if this video was helpful for you, please give us a thumbs up, share this with somebody you think needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.